Hi there everyone, Belle here and welcome back to another episode of Unbox Properties PH Open House Tour. And today, I'm going to tour you around of this modern contemporary two-story house and lot for sale located here in Savannah Green Plains Subdivision, Angeles City, Pampanga, just few minutes away from Clark. Okay, so let's start the house tour. Now, this is modern contemporary. So you can see the design. It has this neutral color. We just have this black tone or the dark color and the wood accent that make this house more modern. No? And for the property, size of the property, it has a total lot area of 155 square meters. And the total floor area is 256 square meters. Okay, now let's make our way through your pedestrian gate, but right here, meron ka pang space dito. Pwede mo yan i-landscape when you get this house. Okay. Now, on this side, well, as you can see, we can fit two cars comfortably. Kasyang-kasya ang dalawang SUV dito, no? It's very spacious. Matas din yung vertical clearance niya. And then for the design, meron tayong stone paved pathway. Tapos ito naman is we have this artificial grass. Pero at least may touch pa rin ng greenery sa mismong carport. And then right here, yung design niya, dun sa side is meron din tayong stucco finish na nag-match din talaga sa design ng bahay. Okay? Now, on this side is just an access going to your dipping pool area. Pero mamaya na natin pakita yan. Okay? Then right here, we have this simple pocket garden. So again, kapag nakuha nyo na yung bahay na to, kung mahilig kayo sa mga plants, pwede nyo pang pa-landscape yan, pwede nyo pang pagandahin yan. Okay? Now, this is your elevated porch, and now this is your nice main door right here, which is equipped also by this smart door lock. Well, you can access through fingerprint, keycard, or a passcode. Buksan natin. Okay, there you go. Then, meron din siyang transparent glass dito, no? Aside sa aesthetic siyang tignan or sa design niya, it serves a purpose kasi makikita mo yung kung sino yung nasa labas. Come inside, guys. Okay. Now, welcome to your living area. So, right here, meron tayong sofa set. We have this long leather na sofa, no? Which is, I really love also the color. It's brown. It really matches the whole interior of the house. Meron tayong accent chair dito na sobrang ganda, no? Then you just like, I can imagine, no? It's very Instagrammable, no? Because of the accent chairs. We have this modern industrial center table. And then, parang above standard din yung ceiling height niya. We have this nice center light right here. And then, this one is your entertainment area. Wala siyang television ngayon, but at least, kung gusto niyo ng malaking inches na television, kayo nang maglalagay, no? And then, dito na nakalagay yung breaker natin. Okay? So, yan, meron tayong wood slat na design. And then, this laminated na marble design. Okay, what else? So, we have also this wall partition, this partially wall partition with this frosted glass. And then, the layout is very practical. It has this open layout. You can see already the living, dining, and the kitchen. So, first, we have this 6-seater dining table. You know what I like about this house? It's very simple. It has this simple layout. Just look at this one. Talagang perfect ang 6-seater dining table dito, no? And look at this one. I think ito yung nagpa-focal point sa mismong dining area. This pendant light right here. Look how beautiful it is, no? And ang gusto ko pa dito is agad nandito na yung kitchen. Yun yung kagandahan sa having a open layout design sa bahay. You know, it's very convenient to entertain some guests while prepping their foods, di ba? Yan. So right here, we have this island counter. Actually, parang natural granite ata to. We have 2 chairs right here, right there for breakfast nook. Tapos meron pa tayong other pendant lights. Parang match sila. Yun. And then, at my back, meron tayong L-shaped countertop again. So, lahat na nakikita nyo dito is included na sa price ng bahay. So, like for example, here in the kitchen, meron na tayong mga built-in oven, microwave, and cooktop, then range hood, yan. Siyempre, may mga cabinetries na din tayo dyan. As you can see, di ba? Marami ng mga storage spaces. Marami ng lagayan yan. And kagandahan niya, alam ko soft close din sila. Let's see, let's check. Yan. So, it doesn't make noise. And then, ito naman yung sink nyo. It's very modern. Ito yung mga usong sink na ngayon, no? Yung naihila siya. Tapos, meron din siya dito. And then, good thing about it is we have this big window right here. You just open that up para at least, di ba, may fresco or ventilation pa rin. And then, dito, meron tayong other cabinetries. We have this very sleek and clean backsplash. So yun, I think we have more spaces for your prepping. And another appliances na kasama, syempre, this premium LG refrigerator, this double door refrigerator. Okay. Now we have a sliding door right here. It's just an access going to your dipping pool area. Okay, so for the lot of 155 square meters, nakapaglagay pa sila ng dipping pool. Kumbaga parang babaran lang talaga to which your kids can enjoy it, di ba? And I also love the design as you can see, very tropical. I love the tiles of the pool. We have wood decking right here. And then as you can see, meron tayong decorative blocks, di ba? At least yung air pa rin. Kasi this house is like a single attach. Yun. Dito. Aray, sorry. Okay. So, this one is your service area. Dito, meron na tayong countertop, sink. Dito na rin yung laundry area ninyo. Tapos you can see, nandito yung water pump, yung water tank din natin. And syempre, meron din tayong toilet and bath. It's a full bath. No? And then, syempre, meron din tayong maid's room. Ayan. So, yung maid's room natin, tamang-tama lang din yung size. Hindi siya ganun na sobrang sikip, no? So, if you have driver or maid's room, or maids or staff, di ba? Pwede silang mag-share dito for a bunk bed. And good thing about it, look at this one. Meron pa siyang aircon, di ba? Tapos, meron pa siyang other ventilation dito. Dalawa pa yung window niya. Di ba? Okay. Let's go back inside. Ang ganda tumambay dito, guys. So, maglagay ka lang ng mga outdoor furniture dyan, di ba? While watching your kids or your family enjoying the dipping pool. Okay, so yung kanina naman, yung pinakita ko sa inyo, ito yung access naman papunta sa carport. And ang kagandahan niya lang, no, kapag may mga visitors ka, 'di ba, directly pwede na silang pumunta dito. Or kung may pinamalengke man, at least may access na sila agad papunta sa service area or sa kitchen mo. Yan. Okay. So, I forgot to mention, kung makikita nyo yung tiles na ginamit dito, we have this like concrete and matte finish na very low, very low maintenance, no? Very easy to clean, kumbaga. And then dito, they also put a built-in cabinet right here for extra, siguro, for extra storage spaces, especially sa kitchen ninyo, no? So, yan. Marami pa tayong mga lagayan. To keep the space clutter-free. So, yan. And then, under the stairs, meron tayong powder room. Yan. So, meron tayong toilet, sink, and a mirror. So, dito, open lang yung space dito. Kayo nang bahala kung ano gusto nyong ilagay dyan. So, yun. Are you ready to go upstairs? Pero syempre, sa ating mga viewers dyan, please do share our videos for everyone who are looking for a house here in Pampanga. And sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aming YouTube channel, please do subscribe para ma-update po kayo sa aming mga YouTube videos. And please do follow us also on our Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok account. Okay, let's go up. Okay, so for the design naman ng stairs natin, meron tayong open riser and then wood steps right here. And makita nyo yan, we have this gorgeous chandelier right there. Okay, and then a window, di ba? Para giving a natural light of the second floor. So, upon landing, may space ka pa dito. Ikaw bahala kung anong gusto mong lagay dito. And then, we have a hallway right here. Let's check the rooms. Okay. Okay, well, this one is your first room. It has this own toilet and bath. So, meron na siyang sink, a toilet, and look at this one. Usually kasi mga partial enclosed lang, pero good thing about it is full enclosed talaga siya. So, makaka-sure ka talaga na hindi mababasa dito. And then, kagandahan niya pa, quality din yung fixtures na nilagay sa shower area niya. Yun. Okay. Okay, so obviously this one is for your boy kid, no? For your boy child. So meron pa siyang parang pa-free na din siguro yan. And then this one, we have this single bed. Meron din siyang closet na kasama. Yan. Okay. And then some shelvings. Okay. And then, meron na din siyang ACU. And good thing about this room, meron siyang balcony. Look at this one. Wow. Shared balcony siya kasi meron siyang other door dito. So, for your balcony, meron tayong tempered glass dito. It's very seamless. Makikita nyo yan sa exterior ng bahay. And then, yan, yung design ng pinaka-exterior niya. Look at that. So, tama-tama lang din yung space. Pwede kang tumambay dito, no? Okay, let's go back, guys. So, second floor, the entire second floor, ang ginamit naman nila na tiles is we have this ceramic wooden tiles. So, yan. Let's check this second room. Okay? So, kagandahan ng mga rooms, no, is they have their own toilet and bath. So, yun siya. Pero I'm gonna check. Let's check this first. So, dito hindi na sila naglagay ng mattress. Pero, yun nga, at least kung anong gusto nyong brand na mattress, kayo yung makakapili na ilalagay ninyo sa bedroom ninyo. Pero at least, look at the bed frame. It's so nice, di ba? And then, we have these windows. We have that closet. Diba? We have these side tables. And again, meron na din yung ACU. Dito mo ilalagay yung television mo. Diba? And then, ito, meron tayong sliding door to save space. It's very smart. And then, going here, meron pa siyang center sink. Look at that. Tapos, meron tayong mirror right here. I think this one is a smart mirror. Meron tayong toilet. So, again, full enclosed yung door natin or sliding door natin. And then, again, and a quality fixture sa shower area. Okay. So, syempre, I'm going to show you the master bedroom. So, all rooms has their own toilet and bath. And sakto lang din yung mga space nila. Okay. So, upon entering, meron tayong small hallway going to, look at that. We have this king-size bed right here. Again, wala pa siyang mattress, pero at least, 'di ba, syempre sa room natin, yung kino-consider natin is yung, 'di ba, after a tiring day, hihiga tayo dun talagang sa quality ng mattress na ilalagay mo talaga sa bed. And then I think this one is storage din siya, 'di ba? So, yun. Tapos, what else? We have a table right here. Pwede ka dito mag-office. You can put your tablet or just a reading chair, di ba? And then we have this corner glass window. And then, kagandahan dito, high ceiling yung room natin. So, mafe-feel mo pa rin yung pagka-airy ng bahay. And then, this one is your entertainment console, your ACU, diba? We have that recess lighting. And then, syempre, you have your balcony. Look at that. So, again, you have a view outside. And, pa-L-shape pala siya, guys. Yun. So, ganyan siya. Yun yung kagandahan sa balcony natin. So, again, meron tayong stucco finish dito. They are very consistent of the design of the house. Okay. So, again, meron tayong wood slot and lamp. Diba? So, yeah. So, for those who are looking for a brand new, modern, contemporary house, just, I'm not yet done. Pero yun nga, if you're looking for a kind of this house, I think this house is really perfect for you guys. Okay, we're not done yet sa ating master bedroom because I'm going to show you your walk-in closet. So, ito siya. Dito, meron tayong vanity area, a closet right here. So, yan. Then, syempre, your ensuite, a toilet, and bath. Yan, diba? You have your shared sink with your husband or your wife. Underneath, meron tayong shelvings. Then, dito, we have this toilet. And, syempre, we have the shower area. And, ano din to? Full enclosed din siya. Yan. Yan, there you go. Okay. So, that's it, guys. That's the end of our house tour. But let's just do a quick recap. So, again, this one is located in subdivision, inside a subdivision, which is very gated and secured. It's Savannah Green Plains. It has this a good location because first is sobrang lapit niya lang sa Clark, Korean Town, and sa Clark International Airport, just few minutes away, nandun ka na. Hospital, schools, yan, nandito na lahat. And second is meron tayong 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and 2-car carport, no? And then this property is furnished. Everything you see in here are included in the sale. And we have a total of 3 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath. And the price of this house is 16.5 million pesos. Now, if you think that this is the house that you are looking for, please feel free to message us right here. I'm going to assist you guys. Hope to see you here soon. Paalam!